Hey, what's up everybody? It's Isaac Ramirez coming to you with the word of the day. Today's word of the day is demand to close. Now I get it. It's a demand to close, but close what? Escrow. Simply put, a buyer is asking a seller, hurry it up and sell me the house, or a seller's telling a buyer, if you don't close or else. Anyhow, take a moment to Google it. All right, so in a contract, a buyer and seller have a certain set amount of days in order to perform, which we covered in another video, a set of obligations that are required amongst the contract. So inspections, appraisal, loans, things of that nature. When all that stuff should be done and is done, it is then time for the buyer to close escrow and then take possession of the property. Sometimes buyers tend to get a little bit of cold feet and things don't go as accordingly, especially when you're getting a loan, right? Loan officers, I know you agree with me, things do come up and happen, right? Like the guy went out and, bought brand new furniture right before the close of escrow, which we all know they shouldn't have done. But anyhow, as a seller, it can be frustrating. So the tool you're going to want to use is a document called demand to close, especially if you're using a real estate professional. Be aware that if you issue this document, by default, the buyer has 3 days to remedy the situation. Even if they're getting close to the close date, you still have to give them some time to get their act together so that they are able to close escrow so everybody is happy. So leave the hoodie, leave the glasses at home. The demand to close requires 3 days. And I hope you liked this video and I didn't mean to scare you. But if you got scared, then maybe you should comment below and we should talk about it. Have a great day. Take care.